You got the shark,
The turtle.
the turtle,
Shark.
what was that? Oh, the shark.
Octopus.
What was that?
And the third.
Oh. What was that? That was the crab.
And there goes.
Yeah, seahorse. What was that?
And then
That was a squid.
and then one.
The last one, what was the last one? I didn't see. I think it was a whale. All right, Leo, you want to put the pieces back in now? Put down the rod. So, okay. Leo, could you put the pieces back in? No? All right, cute.